one of the first consideration for spiritual advancement is to avoid bad association. Avoid bad association. And remain in good association, sadhu sanga. So, avoid bad association and remain in good association. Why? Because if we remain in bad association, then individuals are very susceptible. Everyone is very susceptible, especially to wrong activities. Meat eating, intoxication, illicit sex and gambling. Especially illicit sex is very, very degrading, extremely degrading. Sex desire is a very, very strong impulse in living entities. And that attraction can become very degrading. But when one remains in good association, he is advised to give up those sinful activities in the form of intoxication, illicit sex, meat eating and gambling. Asat sanga tag ei Vaisnava acara. Vaisnava acara, one of the principal activities of a Vaisnava is Asat sanga tag. Avoid, give up bad association. And sadhu sanga, sarva sastre koi, lobo matra sadhu sange, sarva siddhi hai. The association of the saintly personalities, devotees of the Lord, is so powerful that even due to the association with the saintly person for 1/11th of a second, not even for a moment, not even for a second, 1/11th part of the second, sarva siddhi hai, one achieves ultimate perfection.